they live, they must care about the road. I mean, if the control of budget Margaret Kanyakango kamenyete borabu, she has to take advantage that she has to make sure that the road ekoenda buya is good because gese no amenyete.
Correct.
Bono gantu kunye kubwatio rolelia, ozunya kubwatio boiri, na ikwa ruete, etutete kuligerelinga marogoba. Ekero kwa rule gasi yao. Na yogocha kwa beko motwe. Kego toka ngaborabu, you have to care about security because gabu no okora. Nande no etugo yawere, nande no amali yawa. Chipara, you have to care about the infrastructure. Estima, you have to care about it. Clean drinking water, amache safi ya kukunywa. You have to care about it. And number 5, you have to care about unemployment. The reason you should care about unemployment never call a private citizen is because you have a youth yabekero batabugatie gasi na bubagocha baba bahuni. So mobasikoba mo Rusi abasaeka. Mobasikoba mo Rusi abasae street baende chigasi kwa viwanda mbalimbali babe busy. Watakuwa idle. Na anekero bagonya ko idle bagonya ko lazy around, nobody will be at peace because gabu no boy bibogo chakera, abu no gunism. Ego chakera. Gunism ego chakana unemployment. So many young people with very promising careers, abandi civil engineers, so many university bakanywa degrees, but they don't have employment. So I hope that they can care enough to work with me when I take over this membership member of parliament position, so that so that it works for both the rich and the poor. Umuntu motaka is comfortable komenyororo nere na maria ya kuligi nere mambia arosi bintu bya nere atenengi. No muntu motenengu nere na ale comfortable na ande na amenyeta at peace, so that every person can live at peace. Yes.